All right, let's look at another system. 3 equations, 3 unknowns. And let's see if there's anything here that looks like they could easily cancel out. And I'm seeing some good stuff with the z's. So I could combine 1 and 2 and get a pretty good equation. So let's do that. If I combine 1 and 2, that gives me 7x minus y. The z's go away. And this equals -2. All right, I'll take that. Let's try to cancel z with the third equation. Now, this might be a little more difficult, but if I do 2 times the first equation, that'll give me 2z. And then when I combine it with the third equation, that's going to make the z go away. So a bit of stuff to kind of keep track of in our head. Or you could say, you know what? If I multiply this times 2, that gives me 8x minus 6y plus 2z equals 6. Maybe it's better to write that out so you can see it, so that whenever we combine these equations, it'll make a little bit more sense. So I need to combine 1 and 3 now, so 8 and 6 is 14x. -6 plus 4y is -2y. Of course, we know that the positive 2z and negative 2z are going to go away. 6 minus 8 is -2. All right, so now we're down to a system of 2 equations, 2 unknowns. Let's get one of these guys to go away. So if we multiply this top equation times not just 2, but let's do a -2, right? Because with a -2, it makes this -14x plus 2y. That way we actually get stuff to reduce away. And then we have 14x minus 2y equals -2. So when we combine both sides of the equations, we get, well, on the left we get 0, and on the right 4 minus 2 is 2. So we talked about this in a previous video. When all of the variables go away, not because we forgot to write them, but they legitimately go away, you have to evaluate the kind of statement that's left. 0 equals 2. Well, that is a false statement. And because it's false, that means that there is no solution for this system. There will not be a single point or a collection of points that will make all of these equations true. Because we're always going to end up with some kind of false statement there at the end. So yeah, it is what it is. No solution. Well, sometimes we get lucky and it's over pretty quickly. It may not be the case for the next one. Oh, I've said too much.